In this video, we'll be looking at using Teams in order to replace the current use of Skype for Business to chat with coworkers. Microsoft has announced that at the end of July 2021, Skype for Business will be going away and that we will have to use Teams as a replacement. I think you'll find the experience is very similar and just as user-friendly. So there's two ways to do this. And we're going to start with from the single sign-on dashboard, and we're going to click on Office 365. Once Office 365 loads, you want to look for the Teams logo. It's this little purple one with the T icon. You can find it here on the left side, or if you don't have your menu set up like this, you can always click the app launcher at the top, and in here you will find Teams. So let's go ahead and click to launch Teams. And once this new page loads, this will be Teams. Now let's see if we get a little pop-up down here. You saw briefly it said get the Windows app. There is a desktop client if you would prefer that route. It works just the same, and this way you'd have a shortcut on your desktop. And so you see down here, you can turn on notifications. But we're going to stick with the online version for this. And you don't have to be on a team with people in order to communicate with them. Up here on the left side, there is a chat button. If I click here on chat, I can actually search for anybody. So here's where you can see where I've already done one with Kristen that I've done in the past. This is super easy to use. So let's start with over here on the left, or anybody you've chatted with will be in this list. Now if you hover over them, you do get little three dots. So you can do things such as pin them so they'll always be up there at the top. You can add them as a favorite. You can mute it if you don't want to get notified whenever that person chats you. You can hide it. So things like that. So that's what that little side menu is good for. Now, up here at the top right, where your little icon is, you can click there, and here's where you can change your status from available to busy, do not disturb, be right back, appear away, offline. So there's different statuses, so you can check those. The main part of the screen is where you will actually chat. So let me dismiss this little pop-up. First thing you'll need to do is find who you want to talk to. So let's just say I want to talk with Megan. Type in Megan Spigner. There she is. It's going to bring up a new chat window. Simply type your message down here. So this is a demo message for the video. You do have things all across the bottom. If you need to attach a file, you need to use emoticons, animated GIFs, all kinds of things are down here. And you see it works just like Skype. Now I can see that currently she is away from her desk, so she'll get back to me later. But super easy to go through and use. It's just like Skype, except for now you can access it online, which is really nice. And if you were trying to use, the online chat feature from somewhere other than your teacher workstation, maybe you're at home or something, you can easily log in through the SSO and access it online just like you're here at work. So I hope you'll find this video helpful. This definitely covers the basics and should be enough to go ahead and get you started with using chat and Microsoft Teams as your Skype for Business replacement.